So we've got a ring model. It's in millimeters. The unit is millimeters. And if you look at, just pick the stock box here, you'll see that it's about 9.8 millimeters wide, 18 by 18 in width and height. Okay. And
you want to talk about the machine, Don?
yep,
Setup on the machine.
yeah, I'm going to get to that. I'm going to talk to the geometry just a second here. So what the geometry requirements are in 4-axis are typically the same as in 3-axis, where you have to have a 3D model. Okay. And typically the model can be a solid or can just be a surface, or it can be a mesh, and you can machine mesh models in 4-axis as well. In this particular part, it's just a poly surface or a solid model. And I also have...
It can be curves as well. Hey, Don, it can be curves as well for pocketing profiling. So
Okay.
it doesn't necessarily have to be a surface.
Okay, good point. So we also have, along with the poly surface, we have a number of curves that we've created ahead of time. And if we just go up here to display or select curves, you'll see the curves highlighted that we have created on the part. Okay. So we're basically going to be using those curves for boundaries, etc., just similar to 3-axis. Okay, so that's our part.